is his or her status esikolo. They go through a lot because
sesizile khona apho siyangathi
HIV.
right vele thina vele sithona sikhuluma nge-HIV yakunye then
So namhlanje siyesikolo dinga abantwana besikolo
and ekho sibona le outfit yethu nje vele
yakhanya man ukuthi hayi man
futhi sikhulume labo yes
so sizobabuza ukuthi like ba affect kanjani like HIV
umngane wami nxa esenje yabo uzangithanda yini nxa usokwazi status sami or njalo yabo ahambe nsiye kuzo bese abantwana besikolo batrick guys yasazi
but asibazweni
because like mina ngikwazi lo daba olo HIV and AIDS so ukuthi like umuntu let's say kukhula phana esikolo says disclose ukuthi uhambe wa test wathola HIV positive. How do you guys handle that situation as friends?
Well, firstly, I think we have to be accommodative with that person. Him or her being HIV doesn't necessarily mean which medicine segregate in any way. We just have to be accommodative and we need to be aware about which doesn't mean which if another flu.
Okay.
In the instances which you get close to that person, maybe you'll be infected. No, it's a matter of being aware of which it's just HIV. It's in her blood or in his blood, but spread down corner doesn't necessarily mean what if you get close to that person, which means what that was abadayo. So it's a matter of us as friends telling each other if you are aware what no, HIV is like this, HIV is this, then you make others be aware of it so that you accommodate someone down the line.
Okay, so taking it personal, would you date someone who's HIV positive?
Hey.
Question.
Hey, that's a question that I need to digest for 2 weeks.
Okay, sharp. Thanks.
Sure.
Right.
My nigga feeling I very disclose with I'm HIV positive. How does that affect him or her? Kasi?
Affect kanjani? Well, it depends on ukuthi uyabe khulumela abantu baphi. Xa uthi abangani bakhe sithi ngama true friends, they will understand and njalo benjani. Bemnika ongama guidelines ukuthi enze njani. Yabo. But if those fake friends. Sometimes sebemnya behind. Sebetshela abantu yazi uchumo ehlapana yazi owastile wadanja. Ulele kuzeni indaba.
How does it affect you when as an individual? Umuntu ekutshela ukuthi yena say positive.
Akangizwe ubuhlungu because yabe ngikwazi ukuthi umuntu lo one impilo yakhe vele lapha use depend on something ukuthi njani ephile.
Okay.
So ukuthi bansekile ngimluze futhi akuba nzima yabo. Kuba buhlungu yabo.
Okay. All right. So then how do you help yourself help that person? How do you help yourself when ukwenza ukuthi umuntu lana ungamkhangeli ngelihlo judgmental as a young person?
Mina ngiyafana uzwisisa ngoba lezi zinto ezikhona vele actually yabo.
Okay.
Yabo. So vele kuyafana la uzwisisa ngoba vele into esesiphila nayo actually.
Okay.
So kuyafana uzwisisa ukuthi alright so umngane wami kunje alright but let me just njani encourage ukuthi njani la engaluzi hope nje ukuthi sinsele lokusende nje sekuphelile kwamanje
lesikole la
sengishayisile
akongitshele yazi ukuthi kule issue lapha ehlophileyo ukuthi like umuntu engatholakala le HIV esikolo lese umngane wakho se disclose lapha nebe sihambe for testing la bese limthola ukuthi positive imphatha njani?
Yes, that's very tricky because especially at school that's where okuqayisa khona into ze bullying and stuff. So if one discloses his or her status esikolo, they go through a lot because one, if it's a girl ukhanyeleka njengomuntu ongaziphathanga because even the teachers they start treating you differently as umuntu ohambelana labantu. They start giving you that attitude, instead of understanding, because it's not like it's everyone who goes and sleeps around to have HIV. Abanye they are born with it, but they don't have that information, that part of information. It's not everyone who sleeps around and has HIV. So it affects a person really, really cool siblings.
So in your point of view, there is still work which is supposed to be done as kolweni also. I think we focus on youth out of schools, but we focus also on vocational trainings and all.
Yes, cool. Even the teachers themselves, they need to have what do you say? their own looks in where they are educated about those things, because it's them who can make a difference. Because if Mina, for example, I'll use me, I won't use anyone else. If Mina sengidisclosile my status, ngingathola ngingathola like attitude, like response ku teacher embi, it's going to make everyone to do so also. Izabanike ground, because but teacher engafaka unyawo ethi no, you are not supposed to treat this person this way, you should do it the other way. Labo they will follow the lead, because abantwana besithina as school children siya controleka easy.
So we can even say ukuthi even umntwana engadiscloseanga ama comments o teacher bawenzayo about people with HIV, noma umuntu engazake disclose, they should be sensitized also. Ngazi ukuthi bengingazi ukuthi teachers play a big thing in this HIV thing. Ngiyazi. Senginanzelela ukuthi izikolo like thina sasile ndaba lezikolo, but sasikhomba ukuthi people should know about HIV.
Like it's concentrated on abantwana.
Exactly. Ama-teachers. But guys, la uzibonela ukuthi khona we have to focus more on teachers also, ukuthi ama-perspectives abo
on HIV, like they matter because that affects abantwana labo.
Because teacher engafika ethi wena otshisayo kwathi nithini and undermine a child otshisayo, they will never talk about it. Ngikho kuzayala ephumula siyala lokho siba lama-spread. Nkosi yami, we have a lot of work to do. We have. Asihlangane on the next episode. We love you guys. Don't forget to what?
Like, comment and share.
And thina silithanda nyani, your life depends on your decision.